guys, today we're reading another Mo Willems book. This one is called There is a Bird on Your Head by Mo Willems. There is a bird on your head by Mo Willems. Piggie? Is something on my head? Yes. There is a bird on your head. There is a bird on my head? Ah! Is there a bird on my head now? No. Now there are two birds on your head. What are two birds doing on my head? They are in love. The birds on my head are in love? They are lovebirds. Lovebirds? How do you know they are lovebirds? They are making a nest. Two birds on my head are making a nest? Why would two birds make a nest on my head? I am afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head? 1, 2, 3. You have 3 eggs on your head. I do not want 3 eggs on my head. Then I have good news. The eggs are gone. The eggs are hatching. Hatching? The eggs on my head are hatching? Cheep, 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 cheep. They have hatched. Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head and 2 birds and a nest. I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head. Well, where do you want them? Somewhere else. Why not ask them to go somewhere else? Ask them? Ask them. Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, birds, will you please go somewhere else? No problem. It worked. Bye. Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggie. Thank you very much. You are welcome. The end. And there's the pigeon in the back pages. All right, so today for our awesome challenge, we are going to challenge you to see if you can drop an egg from as tall as your head without it breaking. That means you're gonna have to build some kind of contraption to protect it as it falls and hits the ground. So this is an egg drop challenge, and I would love to see some pictures. See if you can compete with some of the people in your family, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Shout out to the Carr family because you guys made some awesome cars yesterday with your food, which was pretty hilarious. So I hope I can see some other people joining us tomorrow. Bye, guys.